May nag-doorbell guys. Dumating na siguro yung aking package from Victoria's Secret. We'll get it. Kunin ni Soya. Heavy?
No.
Okay. Ooh, it's cold. Close the door. Close the door.
I found food out there.
Okay, pull it down in there, on the side. Close the door.
Is that lock? Oh, it's not.
Okay. Good job. So magbabalot muna ako guys. Hindi ko siya pwedeng ipakita sa video kasi nanonood yun minsan. So, at saka si Samantha at saka si Shelton din. So, ayaw kong mabuking yung aking regalo guys. So, magbabalot muna ako guys. Good morning guys. Magluto ako ngayon guys ng...
We wake up then.
What?
Good morning, guys.
Magluto ako muna ako ngayon guys ng ano... ng udong with sardinas. Kasi parang na-miss ko siya. Nagdala kasi ako guys ng udong. Galing Pinas.
Mom.
So,
Mom.
tayo ng sardinas.
Mom, I want to eat some of this.
So, meron akong ano dito guys. Tommy. Ayan. Tommy na sardinas. Tapos, lagyan ko siya ng ano. Medyo maanghang. So, itong dalawang sardinas yung aking ilalagay sa aking udong. Kukunin ko muna yung udong ko. Grabe guys, nagpula na naman yung mukha ko. Kasi nagkaroon ako guys. Tapos, ito yung udong guys. Kukunin ko dito.
Mom, got this.
Yan, mga... walong piraso ang ating gagamitin. Mahirap kaya guys, ito maghanap ng udong. Yung ganito. Ito yung udong ko ay galing pang Pinas. No, cause look, the other one you didn't eat it last night.
Oh.
So magtantad lang tayo guys ng ano, sibuyas at saka bawang.
I didn't because we was going in the backyard. Dad is going to play outside.
Why are you so talkative?
Because. Mom, can you have give me a paper? Is it a paper? Then I'll watch.
You know what's what?
Watch Mickey Mouse.
Sama na, ay? Galagay tayo ng sibuyas guys, dahon. Yan. Isayan lang natin. Tapos lagyan natin guys ng tubig. Takpan lang natin. Pakuluin lang natin to guys. Mahirap dito guys maghanap ng udong.
Mom, would you put better on my
Pulp na lang nakadala ako.
Mom, would you put better on my boo-boo?
What?
Would you put better on my boo-boo?
Yeah, I did.
Why?
Because you said you wanted to.
It doesn't hurt.
Yeah. Malamig na dito sa amin, guys. Sa labas. At umuulan. Kumulo na siya. Gaya natin ang bato. Hindi pa ito nabuksan. Luto na, guys. Lagyan natin ng magic syrup. Sarap na ito. Tingnan natin. Okay na. Super okay na. Luto na siya, guys. Sardinas with udong, guys, ang ating ulam ngayong umaga. Kasi nagki-crave ako, guys. So, hindi pa luto yung aking rice. So, aghintay muna kami ni Sawyer. Napakasimple lang. Nilagyan ko ng pepper, guys, para mayroong pumalasahan na ground pepper. Napakadali lang dito lutuin, guys. Kung mayroon lang kayong udong at saka sardinas. Ito yung kinakain namin doon sa amin. Sobrang mura lang ito na ulam. Pag nasa Pinas ka, ito yung madaling lutuin at saka murang ulam. So, ayan. Patayin na natin, guys, kasi luto na eh. Hihintayin muna namin, guys, maluto yung rice kasi mayroon pang 9 minutes bago maluto siya. Gutom na ako. Ano ba yan? Ang tagal maluto sa rice cooker. Sana kaldero ko na lang niluto yung kanin. So, ito pala yung aking binalot kahapon, guys. Para sa asawa ko, dumating kasi ito kahapon. So, binalot ko siya. So, ayan, 3. Ayan, 1, 2, 3. 3. Dinadahan-dahan ko na magbili, guys, ng mga regalo para sa Pasko. Para hindi siya mabigat ba? Magbili. Dahan-dahan, mas hindi ka nalalakihan. Kasi nga dahan-dahan mo siyang binili. Hindi yung biglaan. Yung isa, kumakain na. Hindi pa nga siya nag-breakfast. Kasi yung rice cooker, guys, matagal maluto. Kasi sa kaldero ka, magluluto. Luto na, guys. Kakain na muna ako. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Harap. Mga kami kumain ng ganito, guys. Udong. With sardinas. Yung Sawyer, kakakain din. Pinalamig pa niya yung kanya. Kasi hindi pa malamig. Okay, do it now.
It's so hot. I'm so tired. It's so hot.
Okay. Here's your water. Okay? You're good? Sawyer, you're good? You're good? Spicy?
Too spicy.
Not so much. Kato yun siguro yung guys, yung spicy na sardinas na ligo at saka Naluan ko kasi siya ng ano, yung hindi spicy. Pero hindi naman siya masyadong spicy. Sa kanya siguro spicy. Pero yun, kumakain pa rin siya. Kakain muna kami, guys. Tatamad ako kumuha ng ano, fork. Sarap. Masarap kasi to siya, guys, pag maanghang-anghang. Hindi nakakaumay. Sarap. Simpleng ulam lang pero masarap. Is it cold outside? Oh, is it cold outside?
It's so cold.
Mm-hmm.
I'm shivering. I'm cold.
Yeah, because your clothes is not thick enough. No, your top.
It is thick.
You have a thick jacket.
Yeah, I wear a jacket because I don't feel like carrying it.
Mm. I think you did not fold your jeans because it's
No,
wrinkled.
it's because when I go to wear the dryer, they're wet. And it's not even dry.
You're crazy. You have to put it in very dry. Yan, naglilinis si Sawyer, guys, ng kanyang toys.
Mama, will you take a picture of me?
Get that blanket on the floor, please. Maghuhugas muna ako, guys, ng ano, ng mga pinggan na pinaglutuan ko kanina. At saka ilagay ko sa dishwasher yung iba, at saka yung iba naman ay huhugasan ko lang siya. So, tapos na ako guys maglinis ng kitchen. Ayan, malinis na yung counter dito. At saka yung lutuan. Ayan. Tapos malinis na rin dito. Ayan. You cannot have it. Nainis ako kay Sawyer kasi nga tinapon niya yung iPad niya. Ngayon, hindi ko ibibigay yung kanyang iPad. I know, that's your iPad there. That's your iPad, but you can't have it because you throw it at me. But you throw it away. You can't have your iPad. Okay, you can have it tomorrow. No, you cannot. Oh, I'll get this one. You're too smart now, boy. You're too smart now. You can't have this. You can't have it. You think you can get it? You cannot. No, you cannot.
I can't get with that. I can't get with a job.
I'm gonna spank you. You cannot. Maliligo muna kami guys ni Sawyer.
I can't get